All right, we're going to be going over the last section or last problem of this practice problem set that we've been working on. I just went over question number 8. Now we're going to move on to question number 10. So I already have it prepped up here on the board for us, so let's go ahead and take a crack at it. All right. Okay, so here it says give 300 milligrams via IV push of drug X every 4 hours. The vial for drug X states when reconstituted with 1.8 milliliters of sterile water, each milliliter will contain 250 milligrams of the drug, which will be the amount of milliliters for a single dose. So the whole part where it says when reconstituted 1.8 milliliters of sterile water is added, don't worry about that. That's just, it's fluff for this type of question or equation, okay? All we want to know is how many milliliters are we giving per dose, okay? So here we have every milliliter equals 250 milligrams, all right? So that's what we're going to start with. I want milliliters over 250 milligrams. And now I got to find a way to get rid of this milligrams here. Well, I have 300 milligrams. That's what I'm ordered to give, okay? So let's go ahead and place it there. 300 milligrams. And then we're going to be giving this every dose. Right? Makes sense? So we want to know how many milliliters we're giving per dose. All right? Each milliliter contains 250 milligrams of drug X, but we're ordered to give 350 milligrams. So we're going to have to give a little more than a milliliter here, as we can already see. Okay? So by doing that, we're putting milliliters over 250 milligrams, because those go hand in hand, and we're supposed to give 300 milligrams per dose, so those go hand in hand. So we can go ahead and cancel out those milligrams, and now we're left with milliliter per dose. So 300 divided by 250 is 1.2 milliliters. See? It's not as scary as it sounds. It's really the most scary part of the situation is when you're reconstituting 1.8 milliliters of sterile water. So don't even sweat that. It's not a big deal. Just remember, try and focus on what we're going for here. All right? Just always go with what do I have and what do I need to give. That's how I break it down. And then, of course, whatever I want, that's what I always start with. Okay? And then I just continue to pool with whatever cross-references with the rest of my equation so I can cancel things out and just have whatever I need left over on top. All right? So that's it. Any more questions or comments or concerns, just let me know, and I'd be more than happy to try to work anything else out for you. Okay?